Simcenter 3D now enables you to automate and accelerate selection recipe creation from attributed CAD. The power of attribute-based simulation starts with upstream geometry attributing. Here, you can see an example of an attributed stiffened panel geometry, where name attributes are being used. Attributes are chosen so that selection recipes can be used for automated meshing, as well as the assignment of loads and boundary conditions. Prior to Simcenter 3D 2506, one had to create selection recipes in an individual and manual way, or use custom scripts. The new Automatic Selection Recipes command provides an accelerated way forward, ensuring full user control. Users can control which content is used in a creation of the automatic selection recipes, such as polygon face as shown in this example, and the attribute strategy of choice. In this case, the attribute name was chosen. Simcenter 3D will display an overview of the available attributes that the user can select for their selection recipe. Multiple selection recipes are now created at once according to the user's preferences and presented in the navigator. Extra entities like points can be added for selection recipe creation, facilitating automatic CAE fastener creation downstream. Users can inspect the individual selection recipes and are presented with the flexibility to make changes where needed. This results in a smart and replayable selection that can be fed into meshing, load, and boundary condition recipes for workflow automation. For example, when a model is subjected to parametric updates or design space exploration. In this example, the number of frames and stringers are subjected to change in a sizing exercise. The geometric model updates automatically. These updates are also applied to smart selection intent due to the early inclusion of automatically created selection recipes. This enables robust and updatable downstream attribute-based simulation workflows.